This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? We're still at Oslo Motor Show and have to show you guys. This is Dongfeng. Have you guys heard of it? Dongfeng, they're quite big. They have Voya and they have this. And this is called e-Pi 008. It's an SUV and let's do a quick static review of it. So the Dongfeng logo is supposedly this. I didn't know it until now. I think maybe that's the one people are interested in. It's a small car, but we have to check out this. So we have these door handles that pop out. I've seen them in more and more cars nowadays. Quite spacious interior. Wow, nice. I have to say, man, Chinese cars, they get better and better interior. Look at that, there's even a curtain in the back there. And we have that bridge design. Yeah, it's like I have seen it all. Wait, only one USB-A and then a 12-volt outlet. What else? Okay, let me check here. Let's get inside. Okay. You know, this was intuitive. I have never sat in the car before and I instantly figured out how the door handle works. And it has this Neo style. Okay, it's not working. Do we have a power button? There's no key here. Shit, okay. But I can't demonstrate anything here. But we have conventional air vents here. We have at least buttons that click. No haptic feedback. Can we adjust this? No, okay. The key fob is not here. Wireless charging pad only on this side, not the other side. Let me show you what it looks like. Cup holders here. Not that big center console. It's quite shallow. Yeah, I'm not sure why, because the air vent maybe goes under here, but all right. And then let me just check here. Yeah, this looks just conventional. None of these can rotate, extend. Oh, interesting. You can put your sunglasses there. Headroom, plenty. Well, unfortunately, I couldn't adjust the seat. The car is a bit dead. Can I even adjust these? Nope. But it seems like the seats are a bit flat, but I would assume that we have massage and ventilation here. So they're not that sporty, but it's more like the comfort seats. Does it have a glove box? Maybe it has a glove box, but it's only accessible via the screen. Right, so if there's some Chinese written there, then maybe it means that... okay, yeah, this is just the inverted Type 2 and the GPT. So this is a Chinese spec car. But yeah, when I say Dongfeng, it's actually called Dongfeng. Dongfeng something. That's the way they pronounce it in China. But let's see now. The trunk, how big is it? Oh, I just realized it's wait, the car is quite dead. Okay, I talked to the guys here and they say that the 12 volt is probably low, and you know, this is a Chinese spec car, so they need to boost the 12 volt. So unfortunately we cannot show you what's going on here, but this is a 7-seater, so I can at least show you that there's a trunk here with a third row over there, and well, since everything is electric adjustable, then everything is dead. Yeah, so we can't adjust anything. But oh, it's a 6-seater. I can climb in between there. Let's check out the back. Unfortunately, since the car is dead, then you cannot adjust anything here. Yeah, but we have these seats. You can kind of guess what they can do. They can recline, they can go forward, backwards. There's a button here supposedly that yeah, it slides out. Is this in the I don't remember it was in the Voy. No, it was in Maxus or something. Yeah, Maxus Mifa 9, I think, had something similar. All right. Yeah, okay. I feel like we are in, this is more like a minivan. You see, you can slide them forward. Unfortunately, I cannot demonstrate that. But here, look. Curtains, huh? How about that? Curtains over there. Look at that. Whoa. Too bad I cannot demonstrate. It looks like a screen that folds down here with the speakers here. What the heck is this thing, man? It is mad. Wait, they have USB there? Really? Wait, so you're gonna plug in your phone there and then you have to have your cable dangling around here. I bet someone will accidentally rub into the cable when you're gonna enter or just pull the cable by accident. That is a weird placement for USB. What about here? Do we have USB here? Oh, there's a fridge here. There's also a screen here that we cannot demonstrate. So unfortunately, yeah, I know the Voya and Dongfeng people watching, they'll be like, shit, why didn't we fix this before Teslabjorn reviewed it? Okay, whatever, that was a lost opportunity. But you see, it is a 6-seater, so I have okay space here, maybe not the best, but I think there was a giant who sat in front of me. Yeah, but I cannot adjust the seat, unfortunately. But then the seating height seems to be okay also. And then what about height here? Where do you measure it? We actually have to measure it roughly here, not here. I don't sit like this. At least a fist, a little bit over a fist of clearance, so that's good. But if I try to climb in the back in the third row, oh, I can do this, yeah, all right. Oh, the third row is a bit cramped. We have cup holder here. Do we have USB here? I'm not sure. There's a window here in your prison in the back. Very little leg room as expected in the third row, but at least it's better than Model Y, right? You can adjust the headrest here and here. And then let me, okay, there's one USB-A on that side, huh? Wait, but not on this side. Okay, that's strange. And oh, I have very limited space here. Oh shit. I don't want to travel like this for too long. But then how is the headroom here in the back? Can I even get this? Not a fist, just 1 or 2 fingers. And then from the trunk, I can get a glimpse of the storage in the back here. Yeah, this is the best I can do. It looks actually okay. Seems to be maybe a little bit bigger than a Model X trunk even, with 3 seat rows. So there you guys have it, the Dongfeng. Wait, I think it's a Dongfeng e-Pi008. Long name, but well, eventually I'll be able to test it. But we have to find out everything: charging speed, noise, comfort, 1,000 kilometer challenge. But interesting to try something else. Yeah. Anyway, I think that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.